Jake here for American Trucks, and in this video we're taking a look at this OEM style taillight with black housing and the red/clear lens for the passenger side of 2014 to 2019 Silverado 1500s with factory halogen taillights. If you're looking for a simple, inexpensive, and effective way to refresh your Silverado's rear lighting, this is going to be a great choice for you. Featuring OEM quality materials and design, this is going to make your truck look factory fresh for a fraction of the price of buying the equivalent part from your dealer. Now, before we dive in here, it is worth reiterating that this is only the passenger side taillight. Now, the matching driver's side one is also available on our site. It just happens to be sold separately. So if you do need both, you can grab both at the same time. Now, when it comes to lighting, there are a ton of options out there, and you usually have to spend quite a bit of money or time to get something good. Not so in either case here, as this is set up to mimic your factory taillight on your Silverado perfectly. So whether something hit it on the job site, or even if your original is just starting to look a little bit worse for wear, this is gonna pop right in place of your factory original one and make your truck look like it just rolled off the showroom floor. It's essentially the easy button to replacing a taillight. Now, this is not gonna come equipped with new bulbs, so you will need to reuse your stock ones here, but this would be a great time to upgrade to a better set of bulbs, and we have a bunch of different choices available on our site. Now, it is worth mentioning, of course, that this is DOT and SAE approved, meaning, of course, that it is fully street legal as well, just making it a little bit more worry-free for you. Construction-wise, again, this is gonna be very similar to your OEM taillight. The housing here is all OEM grade plastic, and it comes weather sealed to keep out dirt and moisture. And of course, you've got your red polycarbonate lens on the outside, meaning that this should last you a good long while. And again, it's gonna match perfectly, especially if you're only replacing this one side. Pricing comes in at a very reasonable $75, making it one of the least expensive options to replace your taillight. Now, of course, as I mentioned earlier, bulbs are not included here. And again, this is only the passenger side light assembly. So if you need bulbs or to match the other side, you're gonna need to get that separately. But again, 75 bucks is a pretty nice price for one of these, and it's gonna be a heck of a lot less than it would be if you walked into your local Chevy dealership and asked to buy this light directly from GM themselves. Installation is going to come in at a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and it should only take you about 30 minutes to complete the job. Now, this is a total bolt-in job. No modifications or wiring are required, and you really only need a couple of tools to do it, so this is certainly something you can accomplish at home. Basically, just unscrew your old one, swap your bulbs over, and then plug this one right back in. But to show you exactly how to do that, let's throw it over to one of our AT customers right now.
Okay, so today we'll be replacing the tail light on a 2015 Chevy Silverado LT. I ordered it on Thursday, and it got here Saturday, so that's pretty quick. And then the bit size is a T15. Looks like there's only 2 screws, so we're gonna go ahead and take that off. There goes the first screw. Now the second screw. So now we're kind of just wedging it off. So looks like there's some clips right here. So let's take this off. So it's pretty much straightforward. I don't know if the new tail light is gonna have the clips and stuff, but we'll find out right now. There goes that. And luckily they do. They have the 2 clips right there and these things, so that's great. I don't want to actually leave this on. I don't know. Looks nice. Dirty. Alright. So now we're gonna put the light bulbs in. So you kind of just gotta twist them in so they lock. There we go. And time to push. Alright, there we go. It looks like the screws are, they line in pretty well too. I was kind of afraid of the lines or the screws not lining up or the holes. So here goes the first screw. And the second screw. Nice. You kind of got to push it in so that way it goes in straight. And then now we're going to check the brake. Check the brakes. See how it came out. And so, cameraman, did it work? The brake lights come on? Okay, so that's pretty much it. All it's needed is to install is the T15 bit and a screwdriver head if you have that, or if you have a drill, whatever you want to use, and then a 1/4 socket, and that's how it's done.
That's going to wrap it up here for our review and install of the OEM style taillight with black housing and the red and clear lens for the passenger side of 2014 to 2019 Silverado 1500s equipped with factory halogen taillights. Thanks so much for watching, and as always for all things Silverado, be sure to keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.